friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. You saw from the title, today we're going to be doing my June boxycharm. It's about time. It is a little bit late, but I actually did it. This time it is only our one little box that we got here, instead of 3 like last time. This is the second time I'm filming this video today, and I can tell you for a fact that the first take was the funniest. We are going to get into this video today. I'm going to go through my entire boxycharm for you guys, but I'm going to be doing it try-on style, because last time when I did the 3 unboxings, that was boring as fuck. I want y'all to be entertained, because I was watching that video and I was like, that shit was so boring. It was so boring. How did y'all like that video? Like, I'm surprised that y'all didn't just thumbs it down, because that shit was awful. So if you want to see what's in my boxycharm this month, keep on watching. So I wanted to start off with my face because I have everything sitting here. If you watch my channel, you know I always do my eyes first because I'm really shit at eyeshadow and I don't know how to keep it on my eyes. But we're gonna do face today because I'm feeling crazy. So we have here the No Problem Priming Essence. I love the original No Problem primer. This one is so good. I much prefer it over things like the Smashbox Photo Finish because this one is pore filling and it tightens your pores, but it's not overly silicone-y, which I really like. It kind of just has like a jelly consistency, which I really enjoy. So this is one of my favorite primers. Plus the price point is amazing. It's $23. The Touch and Soul primer is so good. So I'm super excited to try this one out because I love the original so much that this one should be just as good. So this is a priming essence, so that means it is thinner. I will read what the card says. If you can see, I had my coffee on this card all morning. That's why it's a little bit fucked up. So it says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Essence infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. I'm educated. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. It definitely sounds like the claims of the first primer, so I'm excited to see what this looks like. So I'm just gonna apply it like I've seen everyone else apply it, and I'm just gonna drip it on my face. You can actually hear it going around in here. It's so interesting. The packaging choice versus what the product actually is so cool. Oh, it drips! We love that. Looks like someone just came on my face. Love that. It has the consistency of like a serum. If you've ever tried the Lancome Genifique serum, this is exactly what it feels like. It's just kind of like that silky smooth, like silicone kind of feeling, but not the like heavy silicone like the Smashbox primer. It's like really thin and liquidy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation. If you guys are wondering, this is the duo that I am going to be using today. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation and then the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This one is actually really nice. I highly recommend it. It's very comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, except it's really cheap. I have to say, I'm going to give you my thoughts on the primer now because I don't know if you can see my skin. Bitch! I don't see no damn pores at all. But like, look at this. Look right here. I don't see no pores, bitch. Oh god, ignore my under eyes. I don't see no pores. Well, I see them here, but my face just looks great. Oh my god, ignore my wrinkles. It made my face look nice. My face is poreless. It looks good. My makeup sits on top of it well. I'll update y'all in a few hours if you care. Maybe in the description, check it before you move on. We're going to move on to the eyes now. Oh my god, I never do my eyes before my face, but I'm feeling wild today. So, the palette that they included in this month's... They included a palette in this month's box, and it's the Tarte BU Naturally palette. This retails for $36 US. So the packaging is really cute. I love that. It's so pretty. And then opening it up, it's just kind of like a basic like neutral palette. I mean, like this would be really pretty for like brides and stuff. So I'm gonna quickly do a little eye look and you can see what I come up with. So this is the look that I created with this palette, and like, to be honest, like, this palette's not great. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and be like, oh my god, this sucks, because like, it's probably really good. It just took me way too long to like build up like the dark like brown. Like, this took me like forever. It's nice if you're looking for something sheer and like everyday, but if you're looking for something a little bit more intense, I don't think that this palette would be for you. For someone like me that really likes pigmented shadows, you guys know I love Anastasia. I've talked about it so many times on my channel before. Love their formula. It's extremely pigmented and creamy. The formula is okay. I just found it to be very sheer and almost powdery. It's not bad, but it's just not my favorite. Out of 10, I would probably give this palette a 5. It's not bad, but it's not good. But let's just move on to the rest of the face, shall we? So if you did notice, I did my face makeup, but I didn't do any highlighter, and that's because we got one in the box. This is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. It's a little confusing to me. It's a jelly, but it's like in a pan. We're gonna try it out. This is in the shade Cotton Candy. I think this is the shade that everyone got, but I don't know. So I want to touch it. It's a pretty big pan size, to be honest. I want to feel it. It feels like ColourPop shadows, like ColourPop Super Shock products, except it's like, it feels more wet. That makes any sense. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a really nice kind of like peachy shade. I'll try one of these brushes that I typically use. This is the Wet n Wild P75. See if it picks up any product. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. I'll see. I think this brush just might work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is gorgeous. Stop. This is so pretty, and I don't know if you can tell on camera, I don't see a stripe at all. I kind of do like right here on the side, so that kind of just tells me that I can't go overboard with this highlighter, but it is so pretty. And this highlighter retails for $26, so it is a little bit more on the pricey side, but it's pretty. It says it's a bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water-resistant formula. It says use your favorite brush or dab it on with your fingers. You know, actually, let's try dabbing it on with my fingers. I'll do it on, that's this side. And that's pretty. Super intense. Ooh. I found it really interesting, though, how it literally looks like a powder and then you touch it and it's not. Like, the day is crazy. So now it's time for the lips, and there is 2 lip products in the box. The first one is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner, and this retails for $15. This is in the shade Pale Pink, and we always need a pale pink lip liner in our lives. So I'm gonna apply this and see how it looks. So it is just like a wooden pencil, and I'm going to line my lips with that and then go from there. Okay, so this is as much as I can do. I find like doing that, like I don't know, this eyeliner or lip liner, it's like, it's not it's not bad, but I found it kind of hard to put on, and because it's a pencil, it was really stiff and kind of uncomfortable. It says it's smooth and creamy. That's a lie, bitch. Don't lie. Lying's not cute. Lying makes you ugly. I don't hate the color. It's like very peachy on me, which I don't love. I think because I am going to be putting a lip gloss over this, I'm just going to apply a little bit more. Filling in the lips, I hate this color. And then this is another product that I was super excited for. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Bitch, in the shade Peach Tea. Y'all know I love a good lip gloss, and I've been wanting to try this one out for a while because I've heard so many good things about these specific lip glosses, and this color is so pretty, and it better match this eye or I'm gonna be pissed. I don't like this with the lip liner. It makes me look awful. One second, I'm gonna wipe this off. So I'm just gonna do the lip gloss by itself and then see how that looks. So I much prefer that. It still is pretty peachy, and I'm not like the biggest fan of like peachy glosses or lipsticks or anything, but I think that this doesn't look half bad, especially with the eyes. Everything ties together really nicely. It feels very, very comfortable. It kind of feels like a lip balm. The lip gloss retails for $17, which is pretty good. It says, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. That is a fucking run-on sentence. Just add a period in there somewhere. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. So that was my boxycharm. Now let's choose a product that was a standout. I'm having a hard time choosing what my favorite product would be. I have to, like, I don't know, because like I like the lip gloss. It has a nice formula, the color's pretty, but I also like kind of fuck with these too. Like, these are really, really nice, but I also kind of like wasn't surprised by this because I knew I liked this so much, so instantly I knew I was gonna like this, but this was kind of the product that I was like, oh my god. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you got any different variation of boxycharm, let me know in the comments down below what you got, and consider subscribing to my channel to see more boxycharm videos and other videos like this one, and I will see you in my next one.